Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you? I just came in from shoveling snow. Today's actually January 11th, 2024. In Winnipeg here we got dumped on, but I heard that like North America pretty much got dumped on. So where are you from and how much snow did you get? I don't know how much we got, but I was out there shoveling and there was about that much. Before today, we had that much. All right, so I wanted to talk to you about, I mentioned in the last video about some yarn. I had, I think I have questions. Maybe you can answer. And I love you guys so much that, I would like your expertise. Okay. Oh, first of all, I want to thank Mary Jenkins for the super thanks. Thank you so much. That was on an older tutorial. She had, clicked the super thanks and, gave me a couple of bucks. And oh my goodness, thank you so much. And, I know there's been some of you before and I have not been keeping track. So I'm so sorry, but thank you to everyone who has hit that super thanks. It's under the video there. You don't have to hit it, but so the yarn I wanted to talk about is the Yarn Inspirations Karen Marble cakes. This one here, hubby gave me a couple of cakes for my birthday in November. And let's see, let me tell you what it is. 100% acrylic, medium 4 weight, 8.5 ounces, 240 grams, 404 yards, 369 meters. Recommended hook size is a 5 millimeter, machine washable and dryable, which is really like always good. Champagne is the color. Is there anything else? Made in Turkey. All right. So he had given me 2. So the champagne is the color, and this is it. It's kind of browns in there, and pinks, and kind of a white. Why do I do this? I don't know. Kind of a white, or a little off-white. And there's an off-pink. Have you heard of an off-pink? Maybe it's a pinky tan color. But anyway, that's it. So I've been trying to figure out a stitch that will work with this yarn. Now let me tell you, if you haven't felt this yarn, when he first gave it to me, I felt it in the cake. I thought, wow, that feels nice. But then when I started crocheting with it, and it did say, what, a 5 millimeter? I'm sorry. 5 millimeter. So I didn't like the way the 5 millimeter felt, so I started using a 6 millimeter. And this is their 4 weight. And so I started using a 6 millimeter. Oh, when I started working with it, it had an unusual feel to me. I mean, it feels kind of squishy right now, but when I was working with it, you know what it felt like? And I was trying to figure out what word to use, and it was like, it's like it had the moisture sucked out of it. It's not, to me, have you guys had this? Have you worked with it? Is half my eyebrow gone? Oh my goodness. It felt like the moisture had been sucked out of it. Like it I don't know how to, like it feels dry. It's just a dry feeling. I don't know how to explain it. But anyway, so I tried several stitches with it. I don't remember what they were. But I decided, in that last video, I showed Peggy wearing the raglan style that I'm working on the tutorial for. And I thought, oh, I should do a cardigan style, with the same stitches and stuff. Maybe I'll try using this yarn. since none of the other things worked out, I was trying to do it. Frogged and frogged and frogged. So this is it, but it feels dry to me. It just feels so dry. It kind of feels like my hands at this time of year. I don't know. But anyway, I want your opinion on a few things, if you don't mind, my friends. Have you bought this yarn or been given this yarn? Have you tried it? What stitches have you tried that work really nice with the yarn? I mean, it worked out nice. It's just, I don't know. It just feels like I'm going to be wearing like a what do you call it? Like a paper from a scrap paper book. That's what it feels like to me. So yeah, I used a cake and then the part of this cake. This is what's left of the second cake. And I just made it a short sleeves thing just to pull over top. I think I got tired of working with the yarn too, because can you maybe I'll back up? Well, I don't know, the length is okay, but yeah, and I didn't put long sleeves, just, you know, whatever. Let me see here. Where's my, oh, there it is. This is what I got yesterday. That I showed you guys yesterday? Day before, from Temu. It's the little cup and spoon shawl thing, shawl pin. So let's just hook that on here. I don't know, just to see what it looks like. Or to see, how do I do this? Oh, gee, it's not the first time I've done it. I don't know if that's the right place. Maybe it should be higher and not maybe so much in the middle. Isn't that cute though? So if you're in a coffee shop and they forget to bring your spoon, you got one right there. So anyway, that is cute. I'm full of fresh air from shoveling snow, so I think I'm a little bit too awake. But anyway, I mean, how does it look? If you don't like it, like if you think it looks strange in this yarn, tell me. I value your opinion. Does it look, should I make something else? Because, I mean, why not? I've done a lot of frogging already. I might as well just keep it up. Oh, dear. Yeah, I wouldn't wear that right there. But anyway. Yeah, so those are my questions. Have you used the yarn? What stitches have you tried with it? Which stitch do you think works the best? Do you find that it feels like it's like dried out paper kind of? It doesn't crinkle like paper, but to me it just feels like all the moisture's been sucked out of it. And yeah, so what is your opinion on this Yarn Inspirations Karen Marble Cakes? I think that's it. I think the pattern, I mean the colors work up nice in this. What do you think? But I don't know. Just please give me your opinion on the yarn if you've tried it. Have you ever been drawn to it, or have you seen it like online and you're like, ooh, no, I wouldn't want that yarn because of whatever reason? Like, tell me your story about the yarn. All right, so I'll see you guys as soon as I can, and have a wonderful weekend. All right, bye guys.